Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Neewer 2-pack LP-E17 replacement battery set with dual USB charger for Canon cameras like the SL2, SL3, Canon M6, or the M6 Mark II like what I have over here. This works with cameras with the LP-E17 battery, so there's plenty of them out there. Let's go ahead and open this up. So some of the specs on this, it says it's universal USB powered. It replaces the LP-E17 battery, 7.4 volts and 1250 milliamp hours. Opening it up here, let's first off look at the cable. So it comes with a micro USB cable there, USB A on one side, and then the USB micro on the other side. We've got the charger here. Now, these are overcharge protected, they're over current protected, overheat protected, over voltage protection, short circuit protection, and electric shock protection. That's what it says when you look at the specs on this. So that's what it looks like there. It holds two batteries, one there and one there. And again, this will just plug in on the one side there. So we'll get this set up in a moment. There's also two batteries in here and some paperwork. So there's one of the batteries there. And that would just slide on just like that. And another battery right there. It replaces the LP-E17 lithium ion, 7.4 volts, 1250 milliamp hours. I'm going to put this in my Canon M6 Mark II here. Just like that, and we will power this on, make sure it works. It fires up right away there. And I can take photos, so that's perfect. So I'll take that battery and put it in the charger here, and we'll plug it in with the micro USB connector. And the lights come on. It looks like they go red when the batteries are dead, and they'll switch over to green when they are complete. And again, this is the Neewer 2-pack LP-E17 replacement battery and dual USB charger for Canon LP-E17 batteries.